Chubb is the world's largest publicly traded P&C insurance company and the largest commercial insurer in the US. Sean Ringsted is Chubb's Chief Digital Officer and Chief Risk Officer. So, on the one hand, he leads all efforts aimed at transforming Chubb into a digital integrated organization, but he's also responsible for Chubb's risk management strategy. The rare combination of both the CDO and CRO function obviously leads to remarkable insights regarding the application of InsurTech at scale. Thanks, Sean, for joining us here in Amsterdam.
For those that know me, you'll realize how traumatic it is to have a picture of DIA Munich behind me as the stadium. Great to see old friends and meet new friends. Thank you for being part of letting me have this opportunity to be part of the community and this opportunity to be up on stage with you. I'd like to share with you three things today: who Chubb is, who we are. The second is the what. This insurance from the new possible, I'd like to talk about. And the third is the how. And that's through Chubb Studio. So three things. First is who Chubb is. We're the world's largest publicly traded property and casualty insurance company in the world. We operate in 54 countries and territories. We protect all businesses, all sizes, from the really large multinationals to the tiny micro businesses. And we serve consumers. We protect them, we protect their families and their lives and their lifestyles. And we're one of the world's largest providers of accidental and health insurance in the world. And my job as Chief Digital Business Officer, I lead Chubb's 100% digital business units. And our purpose is to get Chubb's products and services into the digital distribution channel of our digital partners and our digital brokers. Give you a little sense of our network. Globally, we have 185 partners around the world. We operate in a number of verticals, obviously bank, neobanks, fintechs, but also think travel, think retail, think e-commerce. And we have that network of partners brings us an addressable market of about 300 million customers. And to give you a sense by the numbers, that translates to about 19 million policies. In 2019, our digital sales, our digital revenue was $145 million, and last year, $270 million. I can't give you a number this year, but it's let me tell you, it's going great. So very, very happy with where we are and where we're heading. So the what? I mean, clearly we're after delivering product and services. It has to be affordable, has to be simple, and it has to come with a modern digital experience. So we think about, in the middle, you think about consumers and protecting their lives, their families. You can think about it with protecting their income if something happens to them. So the protection side, and on the left, thinking about lifestyle. So these discretionary lifestyle choices and protecting the experiences around that. So travel, or even your online experience. Think of identity theft or fraud. And we look after small businesses and the risks that they face. So product liability, maybe even some employers' liability or workers' compensation, but protecting small businesses. So as we do that, and we have this product set, that's the what. Now we come to the how. We have to be able to deliver that to our partners and to the customers. And we have to be able to digitally integrate with our partners in this way. And so for us, this is where Chubb Studio comes in. It's our tech integration platform. very excited about it, and it's really opened up a lot of opportunity, not just for us, but for the partners that we work with, and being able to deliver value to their customers. And so through APIs, widgets, et cetera, however the partner wants to be able to technically integrate, we can do that, and we can bring that to the partner. And what that allows them to do is develop effectively white label and customized solutions that they can provide to their customers. And the beauty of it, we found for our partners, is that we do the insurance stuff. We figure out the underwriting. We handle the claims, so important to be able to do that, billing and payments and so on. So we take care of the insurance side, while the partner can focus on this white label experience. And I think the other point I'd like to make on this as well, it's not just technology, and I think, seeing yesterday and today and the meetings and discussions I've had, this is all about collaboration in the community, and we take that very seriously with our partners. That's a hallmark of how we sit down with our partners. It's one thing having the technology, it's another to have the know-how to sit down with a partner, co-create, be creative product, and develop that digital experience that our partners are looking for. And so we're building out by vertical and geography as we build out. Just to give you a sense, it's not just words. I was looking at some numbers the other day. In May, globally across our digital businesses, we had 200 million API calls that were made by our partners' customers for quotes and policy and issuance. So that 200 million, that's a 4x increase over last year. So it gives you a sense of the scale that we're operating at. And it's not just policy sales and issuance. Claims, incredibly important part of that experience. And when we talk about automation of claims, I think of it slightly differently. I think the point here is designing products in the right way for customers that you can deliver a digital experience on the claim side. Also, at the back of your mind, knowing that it doesn't always have to be 100% digital, that you can provide through your own capabilities a human at the point when a customer needs it. And as well as claims, I think value-added services are going to become increasingly important and relevant, and there's some great booths with the sort of value-added services strolling through those when you think about medical, when you think about cyber. So providing risk protection services to customers is going to be increasingly important, and we're folding that sort of a family of service providers into our Chubb Studio proposition for partners. So very exciting. So just a couple of examples of the type of partners that we have. Rappi, one of the largest super apps in Latin America, 16 million customers there. They started off in mobility. They've gone into food, retail, financial services, banking, and we're right alongside with them now, partnering, providing the insurance products that I mentioned. So think travel, think gadget protection, think accident for their customers. Nubank is one of the largest neobanks globally, 50 million customers, and we partnered with them. We co-created and we developed a life product, very simple life product, affordable life product, 3 clicks in an app, and the customer has life insurance. And what importantly, this is life insurance for people that have not really had an insurance product, a financial protection product. So we're providing this to a community that wasn't really addressed before. Grab is one of Asia's largest super apps and providers, mobility, food, again into financial services. And an example of the product we developed there, a very small micro product that's helping protect the ride experience in in the car for the Grab user. And it's been extraordinarily successful, and it's shown through design the product the right way, and you have the technology that you can scale this very, very quickly and very, very exciting. And DBS, we're partnered with DBS in Singapore, and the example I'd highlight here, going back to my comments around creativity, is we developed a COVID-19 policy for them, hospital cash, and we got that to market incredibly quickly during COVID. So it's an example of the collaboration. So hopefully my comments here have given you a sense of how you can bring technology to the table, insurance at a time where it's never been more valuable to customers, and think about the financial inclusion. So thank you very much. I think I'm out of time, but really enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.